Good morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And I'm going to show you guys what I found at the park when I was walking my dog. This little heart. It says, I need a home. I found a quilted heart. And then it has the website and a hashtag. And I thought that was so cool. And I was just thrilled to get it. And I want to document that in my journal. But first, I also want to show you that if you can see this picture, I actually found another one a few days after I found that one, but I did leave that one there for someone else to find. And I have been inspired to make some of my own and spread them around, spread the love around. I did look on the website. You can print out these cards, and I think you can print out the heart pattern too. And you're supposed to keep it anonymous. And then when you find one, you can get onto the website and upload your picture of your heart and where you found it. So everything is anonymous, though. I didn't notice the hashtag. I haven't done that. Maybe I should put that up on Instagram or something. But also, a few videos back, I don't know, maybe it was the last video, I don't remember, but I got these kits, these little craft sewing kits from a rummage sale. And this one was June bugs, and this is all the information that it came with it. But this one particular kit was $15. But you had to buy the pattern separately, which was, I thought, was weird. And you bought it at the Wooden Bear. I'm going to have to look that up. But anyway, I decided to take the fabrics and cut them up into little squares and make a quilt. And then I'm going to put my picture on here. But I do think I'll put a little bit of a fabric background around it too. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do today. Now I have my fabrics, little squares and rectangles all laid out. I probably will not remember this layout, but I'm going to try to just glue them on one by one. I don't think I'm going to care too much if there's some white space, but that could change. But I am not going to film me gluing them down. So I will show you what it looks like when we're all glued down. Alright, I've got everything glued down, and I've just realized I didn't really even need to put anything here. I'm going to be covering up a lot of this. So I don't think I'm actually going to put a backing on this. I think it'll cover up too much. Like this one I don't have anywhere else but here, and it's going to be covered. I guess yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and put that down in the middle. And then over on the other page, I'm going to put a couple of things that I want to include. And that is this stuff. And I have these two stickers that I want to include on the page. But I think I'm going to make a pocket for this stuff. And I will put this on the outside of the pocket, is what I do believe I will do. So I need to find some coordinating papers to make a pocket out of. Let's see what I can find. Okay, so I'm going to use this paper as my pocket. I'm going to ink it up a little bit and glue it down, and then we'll take it from there. So I've also got these two elements here from a really cozy, soft blanket that I got for Bethany for Christmas. But I think this is just, I don't know how I'm going to use such a big one other than just to make it slide out of the way and hide something. But this one I thought I could put, you know, paper on one side so that can be what I journal on about this stuff. So I think that is what I'm going to do. And I don't really like this potting soil color with this paper, but it's too late now. Alright. a lot of it's going to be covered up anyway with that big sticker. Well, not a lot of it, but most of it. Is that the same? A lot and most? Who knows? But here we go. Yesterday, it was 50 degrees, so we took our dog to the park and let him run around and had peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in the park. And let me tell you, PB&J tastes much better when you're eating it outside. Alright, this is still pretty sticky, but I'm going to add a little stickiness anyway. So this came from Traditions at the White Swan, Hagerstown, Maryland. That's where that came from. How it ended up in upstate New York, I have no idea. But I think it's pretty cool. Like, you know, someday when I'm old, maybe some of my stuff will end up in a thrift shop somewhere far away. Who knows? I've also got this. I paid $1 for it, so I'm going to glue this down right over here. And I usually put the date on, but I think I'll just go ahead and put the date on this. And the next thing I'm going to do is put my... Actually, I think I better let it dry for a little bit. And let's figure out what we're going to cover up this with. It's very thick cardboard. So I think I need something that's not going to show through. I think I'll just get some like creamy colored cardstock to put on there. Alright, so I've got this on this cardstock, and it's like just a fraction of the inch too small, but I'm just going to not worry about it. Maybe I can center it a little bit. Let that dry, and then I'll cut around it, and I think I'm going to put a pretty eyelet in there and some, maybe one of the green fabrics in the top here. So that is what I'm going to do next. Let me actually cut a strip of this. I think we'll use this green here. And here's a strip of that already. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to see, let's cut it this way. I want there to be the zigzag on both sides of it, though. And I did not cut that very straight. Okay. This is harder. I'm sure it will not be perfectly straight. Like, there's a piece that got stuck on it. I think this might be too thick. I might have to cut it thinner. I think I probably will. Actually, I should just cut it in half. Like this. And then I have two. Okay, that's much better. I did notice, though, we want this side to have the rickrack, and this side didn't get all the way cut. Alright. Now I'm going to trim this off. I was hoping I could find my little tiny scissors. Alright. It's so thick. The tag is so thick it would be really hard to mess this up. And cut the tag, you know what I'm saying? do need to get in there better because I didn't cut it close enough. I think I actually cut the tag a little bit on there. Alright, and now, oh, there's still some there. Okay, I need to punch my hole. I'm just going to punch it with my regular hole puncher here that I got. I can see it good where it's going. Okay, and then I'll get my crocodile and my eyelet out. Actually, now that I think about it, we're probably not even going to see the eyelet because the ribbon is going to be too thick. So let's see, I might want to just put a string in there. Let's see. Do you ever have trouble with the back sides being sharp? I do all the time. If I'm making these for other people, I put a circle over it with a hole in the middle to keep it from scraping people. I can't even get it through. Come on. We can do it. I know we can. Okay. Yes, I'm sure that this is going to be so thick we can't even see the eyelet. But you can see just the bottom part of it. I guess that's okay. So let's get my book back. Okay, here we go. There's my page. Let's see if this will fit in here like this. Yep. And this. And this. I think it looks pretty good. I feel like it's bare up here, but yeah, maybe I'll put a border or some washi tape or something over that. But this piece that fits perfectly across the top here, so that is what I'm going to put there. And I'm probably also going to put a flower. So I hope you've been having a great day. I hope you continue to have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't checked out other videos on my channel, please do. I would appreciate it so much. And I am going to put my flower on now. How about green and yellow? Green? Actually, I like it. And maybe a pink. Oh, that's precious. Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate your support. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.